Hi, my name is Zineb and this is my brother Mohammed. Today I am going to cook pancakes. I am going to tell you the ingredients. First, you need 1 egg, 2 spoons of oil, 1 glass of flour, 1 glass of milk, 2 spoons of sugar. If you want, you can put vanilla. We are going to start. I'm going to put it there because...
¿Qué cojo?
First, the egg.
¿Cómo lo voy a hacer? ¿Un huevo? ¿No estamos hablando inglés?
Then, glass milk. Then, the vanilla. 2 spoons of sugar. The oil. A bit of salt. And the flour. And now we are going to mix. And now we are going to put it in a bowl. And now I am going to cook it. I am going to put a little of butter. Así. Menos. I just turned it on the fire and I am going to gradually add the mixture. And we have to wait that they cook. The first one was for me, and this is the second one. We have to wait. My mother is going to turn it around. I'm going to wait. I'm going to get it out before it's burning again. And I'm going to do the first one. If my mother wasn't happy, it's big burnt out. Now I'm going to do the fourth. My mother and I never did this recipe. We usually did crepes. And now I'm going to decorate with chocolate because I love it. And now, bueno, let's try.
Qué rico. Voy. ¿Me voy? Deja que me vaya.
I love it, but I prefer crepes. I don't know, but it's good. Thank you for showing.